In this video, we will learn what are the importance of patch management. Importance of patch management for security and performance. Patch management is a process of distributing and applying updates to software application, operating system, and other IT infrastructure components. It's a critical practice in maintaining the security and performance of IT system. Here is why the patch management is important. First is security. Vulnerability mitigation. Cybercriminals often exploit software vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to systems, execute code remotely, or exfiltrate sensitive data. Regular patching closes these vulnerabilities. Regulatory compliance. Many industries are subject to the regulations that require patching to meet security standards. For example, GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS. Failure to patch can lead to non-compliance and penalties. Threat prevention. By keeping software up to date, organizations can reduce the risk of malware, ransomware, and other cyber threats. Next is performance. Bug fixes. Patches often fix bugs that could lead to system crashes, slow performance, or other operational issues. Stability. Patches enhance the stability of software and system, reducing downtime and enhancing user experience. Compatibility. Updates ensure capability with new hardware, software, or other integrated system, allowing for a seamless operation and improved productivity. Patching capabilities with Datto RMM. Datto RMM is a cloud-based RMM platform designed to help IT service provider manage client devices and network. Automated patch scanning. Datto RMM can scan devices to identify which patches are missing, ensuring we are or you are aware of patching needs across all managed devices. Patch development. The platform allows for the automated deployment of patches to multiple devices, helping to ensure a consistent and scalable patching process. Patch scheduling. Users can schedule when patches are applied, reducing disruption by choosing non-peak times for patch deployment. Patch reporting. Datto RMM provides comprehensive reporting features that allow users to monitor the status of patches, identify which devices are compliant, and highlight areas needing attention. Custom patch policies. The platform allows for the creation of custom patch policies based on organizational needs. You can define which patches to deploy, set approval workflows, and specify deployment parameters. Third-party application patching. In addition to operating system patches, Datto RMM support patching for common third-party applications, further enhancing security and compatibility across the IT environment. Rollbacks and testing. The platform offers functionalities to test patches before widespread deployment and provides rollback options if a patch creates unexpected issues.